Welcome to this video tutorial on how to perform an advanced search in PEDro, the Physiotherapy Evidence Database. You access the advanced search page from the PEDro homepage at www.pedro.org.au. Click the Advanced Search link in the left navigation bar or in the Search the PEDro Database section. With an advanced search, you can ask your clinical question using 13 different fields or categories, from words in the abstract and title down to the minimum score on the PEDro scale. Some of these fields have pull-down lists which you can choose from. These are indicated by the arrows symbol. For example, the body part field lists the different anatomical regions which might be the focus of physiotherapy intervention, from the head or neck down to the foot or ankle. This field is particularly useful for musculoskeletal problems. You can select one term by clicking on it. Other fields allow you to type text into the search boxes. For example, you can search for words which appear in the abstract or title in this abstract and title field. By default, PEDro will search for an exact word match in text fields. Often it is useful to search for a number of variations of a word. You can look for variations at the end of a word by using an asterisk to indicate any letter or groups of letters. Generally, it is most efficient to search by typing one or two words in the abstract and title field. It is important to note that you do not need to enter search terms in every field on the advanced search page. For most searches, a maximum of 3 search fields is sufficient. Before starting your search, it is best to think about the question you are asking, as this will help you choose the best search terms. We will use this clinical question to demonstrate how to do an advanced PEDro search. In older women with stress incontinence, what is the effect of adding biofeedback to pelvic floor exercise on the loss of urine compared to pelvic floor exercise only? Let's start the search using 2 components of our clinical question. The drop-down list in the problem field can be used to define the patient by selecting incontinence. The drop-down list in the sub-discipline field can be used to further define the patient by selecting gerontology. Because we are interested in finding reports that relate to both incontinence and gerontology, we will combine these terms using the AND Boolean operator. AND is the default setting for the PEDro Advanced Search page. To start the search, click on the Start Search button. The search results page is then displayed. There are 77 records which fulfill our search criteria. This is a large number of records, too many to read to answer our clinical question. Let's click the Continue Searching Advanced link to return to the search page and make the search more precise by adding some more search terms. By adding the text string exercise asterisk in the abstract and title field, we will retrieve all records coded as incontinence for problem and gerontology for subdiscipline, with words starting with exercise in abstract or title. We have deliberately omitted or truncated the E at the end of exercise and added the asterisk wildcard. By truncating and using the asterisk, PEDro will return all records containing words in their title or abstract starting with the text string EXERCIS. These would include exercise, exercises, and exercising. Now start the search again. The yield is now 33 records. This is still too many records, so let's revise the search some more. Let's add another search term to better define the intervention from our clinical question. We are interested in biofeedback. The difficult thing about this term is that authors could use the term feedback or biofeedback to describe this treatment. We can retrieve all records ending in feedback by adding the text * feedback to the abstract and title field. By adding the text string asterisk feedback in the abstract and title field, we will retrieve all records coded as incontinence for problem and gerontology for subdiscipline, and with words starting with exercise and words ending in feedback in the abstract or title. By using the asterisk symbol, PEDro will return all records containing words which end in the text string feedback. These would include feedback and biofeedback. Now start the search again by clicking the Start Search button. The yield is now 10 records. This is a reasonable number to look at the titles and perhaps the abstracts to see which report or reports best answer our clinical question. Click on the title hyperlink to view the record's abstract. We have just demonstrated how to do a PEDro advanced search. In the search, we used some sophisticated search features for text fields, including truncation and the asterisk wildcard. More information about searching is available on the PEDro Search Help page. Our search produced a large number of search results. To overcome this, we made our search more precise by adding extra search terms. The opposite can also occur. If your search returns too few or even no records, you can make your search broader by removing search terms. We hope you have found this tutorial on how to perform a PEDro advanced search useful.